Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse One here. It is still Monday. It is January 25th, 2021. So I'm going to take you in there in a moment. I'm going to show you what I got accomplished here with the greenhouse. But I wanted to show you up here. A lot of the snow has slid off. That's one of the solar panels. That's the other one. They're all encased with ice. So part of it, the little corner got cleared out, but it was about 32 degrees today. Not bad. There was a lot of sunshine, which was good. That was great for the solar. So that was a really good thing. But so anyway, I got done cleaning, and then I said, okay, I need a few things from Lowe's. So I made a trip to Lowe's, and I will show you what I picked up at Lowe's. So we just, Mom went down with me, and just to spend some time. All right, so cleaning and organizing is done for now. Okay, what I wanted to focus on right now was opening up all the way around. So I'm going to walk you around first and just kind of show you that. So I wanted to have a clear path to be able to get in here, insulate, and put the covering on the outside of here. Okay, so I want to make sure I had enough room all the way around. So, like I said, you need a good area to work. So that's what I did here. Now here's the plastic here. This is what was left of the roll, and like I said, I don't believe that is enough to do the entire inside. We're going to do as much with that plastic as we can. Okay. But I'm going to show you what we're also going to do here in a moment. But then here is 200 or 20 feet times 100 feet of Super Duty 6mm plastic. I got that because I figure, we can use that, and it's clear. So it's 2,000 square feet. I'm not going to even use close to all of that, but I have, now I have plenty of excess backup plastic to use for other projects. If I want to do hoop gardening with the outside with the raised beds, I could use this, for tunnel gardening and that type of stuff as well. So that was the reason why I got as much as I did. All right, but anyway, so I got everything squared away. Everything is moved around and away from everything. So that part was a pain. I'm going to tell you what, it was monotonous stuff. But I went down, picked up 2 bats of rock wool. Okay, and so each bat will be cut. Obviously, it'll go into each section, and so I'll bang that out, and I'll get what I can get in here, and we'll do that. But so that'll be part of it. I don't know if that's going to be enough. To be honest with you, it's probably not going to be enough to do it all, but I figure it's a good start. With going tonight, to get this done today, I can actually tomorrow, I can get up and I can get in here. I don't have to worry about anything being in my way. I can just get to cutting insulation and then, getting that in. I also picked up this. It's really light, and it's got the grooved edge so that you can connect them all. But I thought that would be perfect for the inside. I'll get that on afterwards. I'll cut out the pieces, and it's pretty much going to be the same level all the way through. So once I get my pattern down, and then I'll cut it into whatever sections, and then we'll just kind of go from there. But so it should go well. Hopefully it'll go easy. That's never a guarantee. But so I got 6 sheets of this. Now I don't know if 6 sheets is going to be enough either. I basically, again, guys, I am not a carpenter by any stretch of the imagination. Don't pretend to be a carpenter at any point in time. But I figure if I have, this to start with, I'll get what I can get done, and then I'll have an idea, okay, this is how much more I need. I'm hoping that the insulation is going to, each bat, there's 8 bats, or 8 rolls. I think there's 8 in each one. 8 or 6. I don't know what is this. See. Does it even say on here? But anyway, I think it might be 8. I'm not sure. But anyway, whatever it is, I'll get as much of it in as I can, and then like I said, I'm going to get going on this. And if I have to make another run down to Lowe's, I'll make another run down to Lowe's. Now, so cost-wise, things are ridiculously expensive, okay? Ridiculously expensive. Rock wool is your top-of-the-line insulation. I will not put anything but rock wool in any of my projects. I'll tell you that right now. I'm not going to go cheap. That's just not my style. I just won't do it. I always want to do things one time and not have to come back and do it again. I don't want to be chasing. So if I pay a little bit more money, then that's great. I don't care. I want it done right. I want to do it once. I don't want to have to worry about it, okay? Now the good thing about the rock wool insulation, it doesn't absorb moisture. It's really difficult. You can't burn it. It's a sound suppressant. It's a really great insulation. Really, really good insulation. So that's why I go with that too. But so the 2 bats of rock wool and then the 6 sheets of, and I don't want to call it plywood because it's really not plywood, but 6 sheets of the siding, $248. That's how much that cost. So again, doing these type of projects, guys, none of it's cheap. Nothing is going to be cheap. Now, I did want to show you really quickly these plastic pieces here. All right, so they got to be washed. We got to get them cleaned up. All right, but they're going to go on this lower edge. So once the rock wool's up, these will go right to this point here and come up as high as they're going to come up, however, that is. And I'm going to do that all the way around this lower level. Now these here were given to me by a gentleman that was living in, well, he was actually in Jamaica. I believe he was in Jamaica. And he had a place in Buffalo. And I went up there and he gave me these to use for a greenhouse project. I didn't realize it was going to be this one. And it was several years ago that he had given me those. And then he had some other tools. And so I ended up buying like a bandsaw, a chop saw, and some other stuff because once he was leaving that property, he wasn't planning on coming back. So him and his wife went back down, and then unfortunately, they had the second child. She was pregnant at the time when I met her. They had the second child, and she passed away shortly thereafter, which was really, really sad. But he has since remarried, and I believe he is now living in Virginia. So, you just never know how things are going to work out. But gave me these several years ago when we first got up here, and I'm going to finally put them to work and to use. But that's going to help, with this as well. Again, it's going to be another form of a barrier insulation type of thing, and it's a thinner plastic, but it's going to be perfect for the greenhouse. So I'm pretty excited. I was dreading doing this, I'll be honest with you, and I procrastinated very, very badly, and I think I may have mentioned that before. And but that happens. But I came back from vacation and I said, you know what? I'm going to get at this, and I'm going to get this done, and this is going to be squared away in here. So this is going to be first. We're going to get the plastic up. So once that's in and the plastic's up, then I got to get the stone in here. So I'm going to have a delivery of stone brought in. And, so I don't know exactly when that's going to happen. Could be a couple of weeks. I don't know. Like I said, a lot of it depends on how quickly I get the rest of this done. Now, I still have to do on the outside, and I can show you the strips. And you might not be able to see them. They're in the shop. But those strips are going to cover all out here. So that's going to be a project as well that's going to get done before I get the stone. Hopefully we get a few good days and decent days and everything melts off, and then we can start working on that. But that's going to be after the inside part is done. Then it's going to be these furring strips on the outside here to help secure the plastic on the outside. But so that's the game plan. And so if it takes a little while, it takes a little while. I'm starting it finally. I know a lot of you were asking, are you going to get this done? Are you going to work on this? And I did plan on it. Like I said, I absolutely wanted to go on vacation, recharge my batteries, come back and then get on this project. This has got to be squared away. I want to be growing in here, you know, depending on exactly what the temperature is going to be. Once we get the second line of plastic up, we're going to see what it's at. I'm going to build some cold frames in here as well. So there's a lot that's going to happen. So stick with us. You're going to get to see it all. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of work, but that's okay. I've never been afraid of that either. So, but that's where we're at. But I'll take you over here. And it's so funny, these freaking chickens are hilarious. So I opened up the outside today because it was sunny. And there's Miss Rose, Becky's dog. So opened up the door for them today, and that's what they like to do. They all like to get on top of the box and sit. There's there's 3 of them now. There was 4 earlier. There was 4 of them up there. All the white chickens too. So I just think that that's freaking hilarious. And there's Miss Hella. This dog is going to be absolutely huge. She is, let's see, on the 6th of February, she will be 4 months. So, and she's already almost as big as Pandora already. But she's growing like a weed. Good pup, good pup. And, but this is what they do. They get out here, and this is what I want them to do. They get out here, they run around, they play, they tire themselves out, and then they come in and then they chill out. So, but, so that's where we're at, guys. I'm going to jump off here for now. So I will get tomorrow. I will do another video kind of showing you what I'm working on. I'll try to mix it up. I mean, I'm not going to just bore you to death with greenhouse stuff the whole time, okay? So it's not like you're going to get 2 weeks straight of nothing but greenhouse. I'll still do other videos as well, but I just wanted to kind of today show you that, you know, I didn't just come in, start it, do a video, and then stopped. After I got done with the video, I finished up what I needed to do. And then I figured it was better to make the run down there today to Lowe's, you know, because it's a half an hour drive one way to get to Lowe's. So, figured go ahead, get that stuff, get it here, and then tomorrow that's not like the first thing I got to do in the morning, and that makes it a lot better. So I can just go out there and get to work. But anyway, I am going to jump off of here. Remember, guys, we are all in this together. That is important to remember. We are one race called the human race, and as soon as we can all figure that out, we're going to be in much better shape as human beings. Okay? Oh, egg count, 5 eggs today, and Thick Neck did lay again. So we've gotten like 3 eggs from Thick Neck in about a week. So was actually very surprised that she laid again today, but she did lay today. So anyway, also remember, guys, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every single day. Tomorrow is not guaranteed. We never know what's going to happen in life, so it's really important that we tell the people that we love and that we care about every day how we feel. Also remember, guys, STD. Step, thing, and day. It's one step at a time, one day at a time, or one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you are trying to do, whatever you are trying to accomplish, you can do it. The only one that is going to stop you from reaching those goals is you. Nobody else can stop you. You stay positive, stay away from that negativity, and you're going to be just fine, okay? I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Please be safe. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.